Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss update from Footprints.
Hello my lovely friends, hope you all are doing well. My name is Sujata and welcome to our Footprints YouTube channel. Today, are you all ready to do a very interesting activity with me? Let's get ready. Before moving to our activity, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get ready with the materials. So what we require here, we require 3 sheets of faces outline and some Play-Doh. So I have taken 4 types of Play-Doh. So this is a blue color Play-Doh, this is a yellow color Play-Doh, this is a green color Play-Doh, and this is a red color Play-Doh. So what we have to do now, let's get ready. Can you see any eyes or nose or face here? No, we cannot see anything. So what are we going to do? We are going to make. So now let's take some Play-Doh from blue Play-Doh. So what are we going to make? We have to make some eyes. How many eyes we have? 2 eyes. So this is how we have to roll the Play-Doh. Roll, 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 roll. And look, this is like a ball and we are going to put it here. And let's take more Play-Doh. Roll, 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 roll. And see, we have got 2 eyes. Now, what we have to make? We should take some other color. I am taking yellow color. And now let's make a... Can you tell me which face is this? Aha, it's a happy face. So now let's make another face.
Are you looking for the best preschool and daycare near you? Visit Footprints and explore the program suitable for your child. Find the program links in the description box.
Now I am going to take my favorite color, which is red color. Let's take some red color Play-Doh. And once again, we have to make how many eyes? 2 eyes. 1. And again, let's roll, 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 roll and... Oh, there are 2 eyes. And I am going to take another color because I have taken 4 colors. So this one is a green color. And now, can you guess what face I am going to make now? You have to guess. Is it a happy face? No, no, no. It's a sad face. So I have made a sad face here. So now we are going to make another face. So again we have to follow the same procedure. Now I am taking a green color Play-Doh and again similarly just like we did previously, we have to make 2 eyes, roll, roll, roll and place it. So you all can think, what is the next face I am going to make? I have already made happy face, I have already made a sad face. Now which face I should make? Can you guess which face is this? Oh, it's a surprise face. Okay, so now can you make an angry face also at your home? You know, you can make it and you can let us know in the comment section that how do you like it. So today we have also learned some new words while doing the activity like happy, sad, surprise, eyes, face, colors. Let's get ready with the activity. Let me first show you what all materials we require for this activity. So we require 3 plastic bottles and we have put different grains in each of the bottles. So I have put some pulses in one bottle, I have put some chickpeas in a bottle and I have put some rice in one bottle. And now, are you all ready to see the magic? Now open your ears everyone because we are going to listen to some interesting sounds. So let's hear this. Can you hear the sound? Is it too soft or is it very loud? I think it's a soft sound. So now let's try the second bottle. What is the sound? Is it soft or is it loud? I think it's very loud. Now let's try another bottle. So this has rice in it, and let's listen to the sound of this. This is also a soft sound. So with this activity, we also have learned new words like bottles, caps, chickpeas, rice, hello. So let's get ready with the activity. First, I will show you what all materials we require for this activity. So we need 2 empty baskets, 1 basket in which we have some models of fruits and vegetables. You can also use real fruits and vegetables for the sorting activity if you do not have the models of fruits and vegetables. So now, I have segregated these 2 baskets, one basket which is a blue in color, and here we have to put the fruits, and another basket is which color? Green color, in which we have to put the vegetables. Now I am going to show you something and you have to guess, is it a fruit or is it a vegetable? So now let's get ready. What is this? Okay, so what is this? Red in color, and it is juicy, and when we eat it is so sweet to taste. What is this? It's an apple. So is apple a fruit or vegetable? It is a fruit. So in which basket am I going to put the apple? I am going to put it in the blue basket. Now let's see. Can you all tell me what is this? It is orange in color, and we should eat because it makes us healthy. What is this? It's a pumpkin. And is pumpkin a fruit or a vegetable? It is a vegetable. So should I put it in the blue basket or should I put it in the green basket? We should put this in the green basket for the vegetable basket. Now let's get ready and see what all we have. Now let's see. Oh, what is this? Can you tell me what is the color of this? It is green in color, and when we eat it, it is very bitter in taste. Oh, we don't like to eat that. We always say, Mama, don't give me this. But it is very healthy. So do you know what is this? It is a bitter gourd, and bitter gourd is a vegetable. So where are we going to put it? We are going to put this on the green basket. So now let's see what I have next. What is this? Do you know what is the color of this? It is green in color, and it is leafy also, and it is very healthy. We also put it in the salad. Do you know what is this? It is a cabbage, and cabbage is a fruit or a vegetable? It is a vegetable. So where am I going to put the cabbage? In the green basket, because the green basket is for the vegetables basket, and all the fruits are going in which basket? It is going in the blue basket. And now let's see what is next. Wow, what is this? It looks very yummy. And what is the color? It's yellow in color. So can you tell me what is this? It is a pineapple. So pineapple is a fruit or a vegetable? It is a fruit. So should I keep it in the green basket? Oh no. No, because green basket is for vegetables. So where it is going? It is going in the blue basket. Yes. And now what is this? It's green in color, and it is also very healthy. So do you know what is this? It is called bottle gourd. And is it a fruit or is it a vegetable? It is a vegetable. So where should I going to keep this? In the green basket. It was so much fun doing the sorting of the fruits and vegetables. This is a tray which is called a sensory tray, and there are some community helper objects which are hidden inside. So we are going to take out the objects and we will identify which community helper used this tool. And we also require some flashcards of the community helpers. Now let's get started. So are we all ready to show our magic hands? And it is going inside, and let's see what is going to come out. My hand is going in, my hand is going in. Oh, I found something. So what is this? Oh, look what I found. What is this? It's a pen. So can you all tell me which community helper uses the pen? Yes, you all know. Teacher. So yes, you are right. The teacher. Teacher uses the pen to give us smileys and stars, and they also check our worksheets. Yes? Now let's find out more interesting things. Oh, what is this? So, can you see what is this? What vehicle is this? It is called a fire truck. And do you know which community helper uses the fire truck? Is it a doctor? No. A doctor does not use a fire truck. Then who uses the fire truck? Let me show you. So see, it is a firefighter. And firefighter uses the fire truck. Firefighter helps us when there is an emergency and there is a fire in the house or in the building. Whom do we call? We call the firefighter. And the firefighter comes in a fire truck. And in his truck there is a big ladder with which he can climb, and he also has a big hose through which he can use the water and put out the fire. Now let's see what else we have inside. Oh, what is this? What is this? This is a thermometer. So which community helper uses the thermometer? Is it a teacher who uses the thermometer? No. So when we get fever, who checks it with the thermometer to see the fever? It is who is it? Let me show you. It is a doctor. A doctor uses thermometer. Can you see in the picture he is holding the thermometer? And what do we use it for? When we get fever, the doctor checks our fever, and then the doctor gives us medicine, and then we get better. So in this video, we also have learned few new words like fireman, doctor, teacher, basket, fire truck. Let's all do a cleanup now. Let's all put the materials back, and let's all put the objects back in the trays.
For this activity, we need a tray, we need a thread, a scissor. This is my scissor, but for kids you can use child-free scissor, a tape, and we'll be using pasta. These are wheat pastas because wheat pasta is healthy. We should not eat junk. Okay? Shall we start this activity in a fun and interesting way? We'll take one pasta shell and a thread. We'll put this pasta in this thread. Go, like this, like this. Count how many pastas I'm putting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are making a pasta train. You got to know pasta can be used for making train also. Did you know it before? No. Who told you? Your super ma'am.
Are you looking for the best preschool and daycare near you? Visit Footprints and explore the program suitable for your child. Find the program links in the description box.
7. This you can use as a necklace for girls because girls love to wear necklace. They are very much fond of this necklace. So you got to know we can make necklace also from pasta. We can make a train from pasta, and we can even make. Now what is this? This is a circle. So you got to know we made 3 different shapes from one pasta shell. We made a train, we made a necklace, and we made a circle. Now, after doing the activity, what we have to do? Clean up time, clean up time. Put all the things in a tray. Put all the things in a tray. Clean up time, clean up time, clean up time. Bye-bye material, bye-bye material, bye-bye material. So, in this activity, we learned some new words also. Which new words you learned? You learned pasta, you learned lacing, you learned thread, you learned cycle, and you learned necklace. Bye. Wait for my videos to see such fun activities. Bye bye. I know you enjoyed this video because there was pasta in it, and you saw pasta can be used in so many ways. It helps us in so many ways. So please subscribe YouTube Footprints channel, like, share and comment.